Hi everyone, my name is Katie. I wanted to take time out of my project today to do a little tutorial. I found a solution that was super simple and easy to take the stenciling off the face of my staircase without ruining the varnish. I was very concerned about taking the paint off and damaging it so it wouldn't match the rest of the wood. This is an older home. We removed the wallpaper, which the stenciling went really nicely with. However, we're looking for a more clean, updated look, as you can see on the stair below. So the solution was very simple. All I did was take a Murphy's oil, take it, put it on a rag, and we want to make sure that we cover the entire surface of where we might put any product to remove the paint so that we're keeping the varnish nice, we're not damaging that. After the protectant has been rubbed in, soaked in, and we want to be generous with that. We don't want to have just a very thin coating. Make sure it's on there good, it's soaked in. Then I was able to use this denatured alcohol product. So there are different types of these out on the market, different brands. This is the one I chose. Got it at Ace Hardware, local hardware store, very easy to find. This product, you do need to wear safety equipment. You need to read the label and just make sure that you're being safe, you have a well-ventilated area, and you have the right personal protective equipment. Really easy. Rub on the Murphy's oil, put on the gloves, the goggles, and then use the denatured alcohol. I'm going to show you that up close, and then hopefully, if you have a project like I did, you'll find this very helpful. So first, just with the small cloth, we take the Murphy's oil and rub it on the painted surface. Make sure it gets soaked in really nicely. All coated. And let that soak in. Next, with a much thicker rag and my protective gloves, just going to apply to the rag until it's damp and rub across the surface. Just wanted to show how nice and easy that comes off. Depending on the extent of the stenciling, you may need quite a few rags to get through the project. But look how beautifully that comes off without damaging the varnish on the staircase. I'm applying medium pressure as I rub back and forth. It's definitely not nearly as strenuous, not having to use any type of sanding material. Just a couple more passes. And it's complete. So thank you for watching. I hope that this tutorial can help someone else out there who has maybe some stenciling they'd like to remove without damaging the finish on their wood surfaces. Thanks, have a great day.